Hello there, this is One on One Studio and I'm Hugo. Greetings from Istanbul, Tokyo 24 70mm f2.8. The performance of this lens, I think, amazing. You will see samples and I hope it will helpful for you too. Also bring my Canon 18-55 DX lens. Well, it's not like apples to apples comparison. It's a full frame lens. That's a crop body lens. It's an amazing day. It's spring in Istanbul. Trees are going green. It's a perfect day to take some samples. So let's move on to the video and we'll talk afterwards. It's like overkill for my camera body. It's Nikon D5200, Canon D5200, 1.5 times crop factor. It just isn't visible on this sensor, so the results is like that. So keep in mind that I was planning to upgrade the full frame, and well, I still can't find a perfect match for me. I'm delaying that video for a long time, but Nikon still didn't come up with the 7 III. I'm planning to upgrade one of those if they announce. This lens is out of production. Probably will find it in the second-hand market, recording over my iPhone 14. Sometimes that manual focus mechanism is stuck in Tokyo, so I will show it to you somewhere possible if I find a place to test that out. Well, it will be a surprise if I shoot it or not. That's the autofocus, that's the manual focus mechanism. That will be a problem sometimes. You know, in certain angles you couldn't take it back, so it's stuck again. It's like a chance, but the feeling is quite nice. I really like that mechanism, so there's no buttons or anything else. You just take it back and start manual focusing. So by the way, I recently passed the 1,000 subscriber milestone for my channel, so thank you all for your comments, for your likes and your support. To vlog with it, but I will try for the sake of this video. It's on 24mm shutter priority, so f/s fluctuating. It's f4 right now, 3.5, f5. I think the background blur is quite visible. It's not VR lens and the D5200 doesn't have in-body stabilization. So keep in mind that. I will try the single servo mode and show it to you again. So okay, this time single servo mode, and I will try to focus again. It takes too much time. It's face priority. Let me try again. Okay. This time it's single servo and it's not hunting this time. I'm thinking right now if I put a FTZ adapter to it, it's almost impossible. My hand getting tired instantly. So for vlog it's a big no, I guess. But I will shoot some test samples again with this camera. I will switch to the 855mm. I'm really curious about the FTZ performance of this. It's the new bodies. Well, Z8 is over my budget. Z9 is actually over my budget, and also it's enormous, and I don't want to carry that camera everywhere. And I checked the ZF, and the gripless thing will annoy me. Test it with small rig attachment for grip, and I still don't feel comfortable at all. And now I'm planning to upgrade to Z6 III or Z7 III. If I only shoot photos and I don't want to shoot videos, I will probably stick with my D5200. Well, there is no problem with this camera if you are only focusing to the photography. Well, there's some problems, autofocus and low light, and if you are shooting birds, it will really struggle to constant autofocusing. It will hunt and do the other thing. You can check the dedicated video about the 5200. I will walk around a little bit more and take some test samples too. Well, after switching to the 18-55mm directly, I feel that it's not constant aperture. So if you zoom in, it will goes up, and if you zoom out, it will goes lower. It stays with the 3.5 to 5.6. I need to crank up the ISO a little bit. This is partially cloudy, so sometimes I need to crank up the ISO. So I switched to the Nikon D5200. It's 80 to 55mm foldable, and I don't know, I can walk like that. It's full-time solo mode, so it's probably hunting non-stop for my face. But I hope it will show you the performance of the focusing mechanism. Switch it to the single-time solo mode. So let me autofocus again. And I am recording over the 5200 with 18mm. The manual focus mechanism is totally different. This one you will change auto to manual right here, and this one is also has a vibration reduction. It's quite handy if you are doing video works. And rest of the video I will switch back to 24-70mm when I find a nice spot to change. I really like this zone, like 24-70mm. It's like 1.5 times crop factor, so it's like a 36 to 105 millimeters in full frame, what you see in this video. And it's a little bit heavy, and yes, it's a crop pad, it's a little bit small, so at first I was really struggling, and in time I'm getting used to it, the weight of it and the performance of it. There is no problem with this lens. I also have a test video of this lens, and which I in city center in Istanbul. I visited amazing places, and I also shoot a test video of the 5200 with this kit lens. I hope you will like it, and let's move on to the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. I'm Hugo. Bye.